Morning family, Tanya here. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. It's Vlogtober and it's 8 in the morning, so I just came down. I've been awake for about a couple of hours already. So I just came down to eat something, and yeah, I have my hat on at 8 in the morning because I don't want to color my hair yet, And so, I got some grays. I don't feel like coloring it right now. So, I don't want any bacon. I don't want any pig. I don't want any hog. I don't want any meat. I don't want any eggs. And even though this is an animal protein, I can kind of digest this better. This Chobani yogurt. This one is a black cherry. I normally get the plain, but so I'm going to eat up the black cherry. Got some Raisin Bran. I haven't eaten cereal in years, but when the kids went back to school, Kroger had a sale, like for 99 cents. So I got a couple of boxes because I think it's good for the pantry. This is a shelf-stable item. No, it won't last for 10 years, but you can keep it up to a year. Let me see, what is the date? The expiration date is August of next year. Yeah, so, give me a couple of years on something, I'm good. So I just sprinkle a little bit. Doesn't spike me too much. Then I got my water. Ice water, and then good. I might get some hot tea. Then I'll start my day, and I'll bring you guys along with me. Got a lot of chores to do. We went shopping yesterday. When the weather's good, I try to do outdoor stuff. When the weather's good, when the weather's bad, I do indoor stuff. It's a beautiful day, but in Conyers, Georgia, they had that chlorine plant that blew up, and fumes are kind of like, even though I'm like, we're miles away from them, almost maybe 60, 70 miles, but it's blowing this way. So I feel a little something. I don't want to really be outside for too long. And so they're telling us to stay in, limit our exposure. So I'm going to do that. So there's so many things to do around here. Like I said in my other video, y'all didn't tell me being a housewife is busy. There's so much to do. So once I eat, we're going to get busy. But we're going to do some fun stuff, okay? Okay, fam, I finished my little yogurt, my breakfast. I'm going to do a light cleanup. We're always in and out this door. So I'm just going to do a light cleanup today. Just clean this area, clean off the table. And it's October, so I'll start a little fall decorations. I don't like a whole lot. I just like small touches. And this is a tablescape. This channel was founded on the tablescape, Tanya's Tasteful Table. So I like to do little table decorations just to bring in the different seasons. Okay, let me throw this away. And clean off the tabletop with my sprayway. This was my go-to when I had my cleaning business. Ooh, there's a glare there. Let me see. Hubby just put up some new bulbs, some new lighting. Okay, I thought the phone died because it just left me a message. It said low battery, so I thought I lost you guys. So we're just gonna do a quick tablescape today. Not a table, a centerpiece for fall. Okay. I know me saying okay is annoying. I mean well, I don't mean. Just kind of propels me to the next step. I go, okay, I got that done. Kind of like, I checked that off the list. Okay. I just did it again. Okay, so first we're gonna start with this dough bowl. This is one of the bigger ones they have at a Hobby Lobby. So my kitchen is I love like a sterile kitchen or a very functional kitchen. I don't like a lot of color so that I can introduce different colors and textures. Okay, so I have this. I don't know if you guys have seen this in what's that? Walmart. I've had this a couple of years. I still keep the tags on stuff so I can know where I get things. But yeah, this is so cute. Little pumpkin with a floral arrangement inside. So we're just gonna place that right here. I like this side because it has the flower and the pumpkin. You can see both pumpkins, okay? So we're just gonna do that. Okay. And then from Dollar Tree, I got these little candle holders. See the little maple leaf on there? Love the color. So I got 2 of these. I'm gonna put some, these were the easiest candles that I had nearby. So I'm gonna put those in there. As you know, my formula for a table, I like to have, a centerpiece and some candles. So got our candles there. Then a cute salt and pepper shaker. This one says thankful. This one says blessed. And that's it. That is the centerpiece. And so I'm just going to put a couple of placemats down because it's still early in the season. And then as the season gets more, we get more into fall, more closer to Thanksgiving, I'll just start doing more. All right, so that's our table decorations today. Okay, and you see how easy that was? And it really perked up our little area here. All right, guys, let's see. See what that looks like there. It's cute. All right, thanks guys.